I am Abhishek Patel. Today I am presenting my MTP work, which title name is Dynamic Clustering of Field Flexibility versus Deformability, done under guidance of Rajkumar Manna sir. And here are table of content I am covering today, starting from its introduction, objective of working through. The focus of this study is how active matter, which refers system, composes of self-driven particles that consume energy. These systems are found in systematic systems like colloids and biological contexts, such as cell tissue. Unlike passive systems in equilibrium, active matter show emergent behavior like clustering and pattern formation. Second, this scope of study. In this project, I explore how interflexibility self-proportion impact the collective dynamics of active matter, soft matter, and my objectives are to examine whether ring formate or not, to quantify cluster size, to analyze how ring deformation, to understand how area and volume effect change after clustering, to draw a parallel between model and biological system. And for this methodology, I created a simulation of the forming ring using active ground particles connected by harmonic spring. This system involved in through the periodic space, allowing the ring to deform and interact. And fifth is implementation simulation step. How I pa- how I created the simulation. First we initialize, second is parameter setup, third is integration, and fourth is data collection, and last is post processing. And fifth is implementation. I implemented this simulation with overlap Levin dynamics. The ring exhibit behavior like transit, clustering, ring deformation, and internal mechanical stress. And here are my future work which are going to forward. I plan to quantify stress and cluster lifespan more precisely, use safe description like gyration study fusion and fusion image. And here are outcome of my, to summarize, I built a flexible simulation framework for active rings to observe key behaviors like clustering, redeformation, and strength response. And here are some my reference which I am using to this. Thank you.